1039. Go ahead. Okay, based off the security, they've had no other intel about any shots fired at New York, right? Would you like us to change to a force protection team over at Maryland Bay?
Copy that. I guess it was a speaker system.
Audio Spotlight technology uses a tight-as-light beam of ultrasound, enabling unprecedented control of sound distribution to target a listener with a highly isolated beam of sound, while everyone else hears but a whisper. No other loudspeaker can approach this degree of field control. Come by the Holosonics booth to hear it for yourself. Learn more about Audio Spotlight technology by calling 617-923-4000 or by visiting holosonics.com.